What's going on, guys? Sergeant Tech Tips. Welcome to the video on my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to change the logon screen from Windows 7. This isn't a virtual machine, by the way. I'm going to show you how to change it from this boring thing to a picture that you would like. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so what you guys want to do first is you're going to go to the link in the description below. It's going to take you to this page here. You're going to scroll all the way down. And you're going to click direct download from tweaks.com. You can do CNET, but I don't really trust that website, so I would do direct download from tweaks.com. It's going to download it to a zip file, take it to the downloads folder. You can go to the downloads folder and you can drag it to your desktop or leave it in the downloads folder. Now, if you have WinRAR, which most of you will know what that is, you right click and click extract here, but I don't because I don't really use this much. This virtual machine, click extract all, extract, and then click tweaks logon, and then run that. Click run here. You can go ahead and accept the terms, install. Go ahead and click yes when the UAC pops up. Click launch tweaks.com logon changer, or you can launch it yourself. Click finish. Click yes again for the UAC. It's going to take you to this. So we're going to go ahead and find a photo we want, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, so I found the wallpaper. We're going to use this wallpaper. You're going to click change logon screen. You're going to go ahead and go to your desktop or wherever the file is that you downloaded for the wallpaper. You're going to double click it. You're going to click yes. Sometimes it'll say it's too large. Sometimes it'll turn it. It's just going to adjust the image so it's a little lower quality. Then you can go ahead and click test. And as you can see, that actually looks really cool with that wallpaper. But yeah, that is how you change the wallpaper for the logon screen in Windows 7. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Tell me what you guys want to see for videos because I'm losing ideas. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video and peace out.